Hello everyone, welcome to the Civil Grade channel. Today I'm going to start new topic OPC versus PPC cement. So let's discuss what is OPC and what is PPC. Here OPC stands for Ordinary Portland Cement, whereas PPC stands for Portland Pozzolana Cement. Ordinary Portland cement is used most of the time for all the purposes in the construction which do not have any blended material with it like fly ash or any pozzolana materials. Heat of hydration is fast and it gains 95% of early strength requiring curing of minimum 7 days, whereas in Portland pozzolana cement it is blended with material like fly ash or slag, etc. And here heat up hydration is less faster and it gains 75% of strength in early 7 days and 90% of strength in 14 days, requiring minimum 14 days curing. But it will get more strength as compared to OPC cement in long run. It means PPC will get more strength once the time goes passing. So let's discuss same difference between OPC and PPC in little more details. First definition, it is the mixture of limestone and other raw materials such as gypsum, argillaceous and calcareous and is prepared and grinded to obtain OPC, whereas in PPC pozzolanic material is added to OPC, then it forms PPT. Its components are pozzolanic materials. It may vary from 15 to 35%. OPC clinker, gypsum, and also includes calcine, clay, fly ash, volcanic ash, and silica fumes. So let's discuss strength in terms of OPC and PPC in terms of strength. For ordinary Portland cement, initial strength is higher than PPC, whereas over the time PPC has higher strength than OPC, but initially PPC does not have more strength than OPC. So during construction, like construction of mega structure like bridge and buildings, people builder they prefer OPC cement because they want quick strength which can be gained from the OPC cement, and they prefer OPC to get more strength in initial stage so that they can continue the construction process continuously. uh, Next is heat of hydration. In case of OPC, it produces more heat than PPC, which makes it unstable for mass constructions as it has initially high strength, so it generates high heat. And in case of PPC, it gets slow down and then it gets strength. So therefore, slowing down the hydration process makes it less heater. Now let's discuss durability. So durability is very less in aggressive weather, whereas durability is more in aggressive weather in case of PPC. In terms of cost, OPC is obviously more costlier than PPC, and PPC is a little cheaper than OPC. And in environmental impact, carbon dioxide emission during the manufacturing process is there, whereas constitute of natural and industrial waste which is eco-friendly in case of PPC. And what is the application of OPC and PPC? And let's discuss about this one. OPC, it is suitable for fast construction. As I told you earlier, that fast construction is done because it takes initially high strength. But in case of PPC, it does not gain initially strength higher. Once the process slows down, then only PPC gets its strength. So basically OPC is preferred over PPC in the construction and suitable for all type of construction work like mass concreting for bridge and plastering, casting of building for PPC. Another criteria is setting time. So what is the setting time of OPC and PPC? Let's discuss. It has OPC. It has lower setting time than PPC. Initially setting time for OPC is 30 minutes, whereas initial setting time is for PPC is also 30 minutes. Now final time of OPC is 280 minutes. It's about 4.6 hours, and its faster setting time helps its faster construction. Whereas in case of PPC, final setting time goes to 600 minutes, which is about 10 hours. So more than half, more than double time is taken for PPC in case of settling down. So OPC is prepared more than the PPC in setting time as well. And in PPC, its lower setting time helps in better finishing. Now let's discuss fineness. Fineness for OPC is 225 meters square per kg, which is lower than PPC. In case of PPC, we can find 300 meters square per kg. And as it has higher fineness, so it has lower permeability, resulting higher durability. In case of grade, in OPC we can find 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade cements available. But in case of cement, in case of PPC cement, such grade is not specified by cement factory. And in case of workability for OPC cement is lower and workability of PPC cement is higher. Last but not the least, resistant against chemical attack. Against chemical attack, OPC has lower resistance, whereas PPC has higher resistance to sulfate chlorides, and other materials. So if you discuss resistance, it resists more than the OPC. PPC resists more than OPC, so it is preferred much.